Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And then in this video, I will present how to do the complexometry titration. But before that, I will introduce my group. First is me, Dzira, Amara, Rahman with ID number 2202442, and my partner, Layla, Oktavia, Widodo with ID number 2206301, and Nady, Artan, Destanto with ID number 2209382. Okay, let's get started. So, the objective is determining water hardness using complexometric titration. Then, the materials is the first is burette, second clams, third stand, and fourth beaker glass 100 ml, 5 beaker glass 50 ml, 6 graduate cylinders 10 ml, 7 funnel, 8 Erlenmeyer flask, and the last is ball pipette. For the apparatuses, the first is tap water, second is zinc sulfate, third is isotonic water, fourth is Na2EDTA, 5 is EBT indicator, and the last is buffer solution with pH 10. Next, for the tap water. For the procedure, it's same like the zinc sulfate. Do the same sequence but replace zinc sulfate with tap water. And then, don't forget to repeat 3 times. Next, for the isotonic water. Do the same sequence like zinc sulfate and the tap water, but replace the zinc sulfate and tap water with isotonic water. And don't forget to repeat 3 times. After we do the experiment 3 times, so we get the volume of Na2EDTA in zinc sulfate. The first experiment we get 0.4 milliliter, second is 0.6 milliliter, and the third is 0.4 milliliter, and the average is 0.46. And volume in Na2EDTA in tap water, in the first experiment we get 1.2 milliliter, the second is 1.2 milliliter, and the third experiment is 1 milliliter. So the average is 1.13 milliliter. Next, volume in Na2EDTA in isotonic water. In the first experiment, we got 0.8 milliliter, second is 0.8 milliliter, and the third is 1 milliliter. So the average is 0.86 milliliter. So in this experiment, we want to know the zinc sulfate levels in zinc sulfate pentahydrate. After we calculate with the formula, and then we get 92.57% zinc sulfate levels in zinc sulfate pentahydrate. And then, using tap water, we want to know the water hardness. So after we calculate with the formula, and then we get 1000 milligrams over liter water hardness of tap water. Then in the last experiment, we use isotonic. Using isotonic, we want to know the water hardness in isotonic. So we calculate with the formula, and then we get 0.01 milligrams over liter water hardness of isotonic. Next, the conclusion. From the result of the experiment that have been carried out, we can conclude that complexometry titration can be used to find water hardness. From the experiment, using zinc sulfate heptahydrate by looking for zinc sulfate levels, we get result of 92.57% zinc sulfate levels. And experiment using tap water and isotonic water, look for water hardness and obtained 1000 milligrams over liter for water hardness in tap water and 0.01 milligrams over liter for water hardness in isotonic water. And then, from these experiments, don't forget always use laboratory equipment such as gloves, lab coats, and masks. I think that's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.